Nung sinabi mong hindi ka pa handa, naghintay ako. Nung sinabi mong ayaw mo pa ako ipakilala sa kanila, umunawa ako. Nung sinabi mong di ka sweet at malabas o marigalo, nag-adjust ako. Nung sinabi mong di ka naniniwala sa kasal, guess what? Di na lang din ako. Hindi mo hiling na magsakripisyo ko pero ginawa ko kasi mahal kita. 10 taon ang lumipas na sanay na akong gustuhin ang mga gusto mo para lang sumaya ka. Sa lahat ng pagkakataon, inuuna kita, pinipili kita. Pero siguro ito na nga ang hangganan ng pagbabago ko para sa'yo. Huwag mong sabihing biglaan kasi matagal ko nang nagtiis, umaasang isang araw para sa akin naman. This time around, magbago ka. Ako si Agatha. Tapos na ang aking Byaheng Panaghoy. There are relationships na kapag nagtatapos, yung other half of that relationship, yung naiwan. Parang iniisip niya everything is too sudden. Parang biglaan lahat. Anong nangyari? Kailan nagsimula yung pagtatapos? That is the question, di ba? Kailan nagsimulang matapos ang lahat? My love, when you are at its end, now you start to see things differently. You start looking for signs. You start looking for warnings. Nagsastart ka nang i-realize if what you have done is enough to keep the relationship. And kapag on the process ka na of doing that, and you are starting to see things, mga bagay kung saan ka nag-lack, mga bagay kung saan ka nagkulang, you come up with a defense. And the line is, sana sinabi mo. Sana nagsabi ka para nagawan ko ng paraan. That is the common defense. But my love, when it's years of being together and you missed every single sign, hindi kaya ang problema is not because hindi siya nagsabi, but because hindi ka nakinig. Hindi ka nag-intindi. Naging complacent ka na everything is okay, na everything is under control, na everything is normal. Even when the person is struggling to keep himself or herself together, just to keep their relationship alive. Kahit masyado na siyang maraming inadjust, kahit masyado na siyang maraming binago sa sarili niya, pananaw na binali, prinsipyo na isinantabi, just to keep that relationship, just to make you happy. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin sa kanyang hindi siya nagsalita, hindi siya nagsabi. That person was trying to tell you to see her, to see him. 'Di ba? Parang sa lahat ng ginagawa niya, isa lang naman yung aim niya eh. Ma-appreciate mo siya. Ma-value mo yung ginagawa niya. Makita mo na yung ginagawa niya, one day, can be gone. So maybe a hint of realization can make you, can force you to keep up a little bit, to do something more than just receive yung pagmamahal na yon. Na maybe you can do something to give it back. Do something na you outside your comfort zone, na hindi something na wala sa personalidad mo, pero you do that because you love the person. Kasi if there's something that I know is true, that person is trying to change everything na pinaniwalaan niya, na pinangarap niya, just to fit your world. Kasi ganun siya ka-committed to make their relationship work. And my love, alam naman natin na if you want a successful relationship, it takes two to tango. So kung nakaya niyang mag-adjust, mag-compromise, to make the relationship work, to expect less from you, to give up on dreams na alam niyang not within your personality, and just be okay with whatever it is that you are putting in the relationship. You could have done something more. You could have done the same thing. You might not like doing certain things kasi nga hindi ka wired to do that. But if it's with and for someone na mahal mo, isn't it worth it? Diba, hindi ba karapat-dapat yung taong yun sa ganung klaseng effort? Can't you humor a conversation about the future? Kahit sa tingin mo it's still far? Hindi nyo pa maaabot bukas, pero diba, just for the sake of having a romantic conversation with you, can't you humor the person? Hindi mo ba siya pwedeng pagbigyan just that night to talk about the future? Hindi yung lagi na lang ikaw. Anong gusto mo? Anong pangarap mo? What you don't like? What you don't believe in? Kasi pagdating sa dulo, dun mo marirealize. Nagsabi siya, in each and any way she can possibly do. Nagsabi siya, you are just so full of yourself. Masyado ka lang nakakonsentrate sa sarili mo that you miss each sign and each cry to salvage whatever's left in your relationship with her. So itong huling panaghoy, yung huling paalam, yung huling sakit na mararamdaman niya because she needs to itanggalin yung pag-attach niya sa'yo and the relationship. It's her form of freedom from a relationship that's no longer working. Kasi apparently the other one is not listening. So again, my love, before mo tanungin kung kailan nagsimulang matapos ang lahat, try mo munang tanungin, kailan ka huling nakinig? Klaro?